Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic that I am going to discuss today is solid phase extraction technique, which is also known as SPE. It is one of the most widely used extraction technique in most of the laboratories. Its widely used application is in bioanalytical research laboratory. Bioanalytical research is defined as the analysis of biological samples with the help of analytical technique. Here biological samples are blood, plasma, serum, etc. Whereas the analytical technique generally used is LC-MS-MS, that is liquid chromatography coupled with mass spectrometry. In this video, I am going to discuss two things about solid phase extraction technique, namely first, introduction to bonded phase, and second, steps involved in SPE. Now let us first understand introduction to bonded phase followed by steps involved in SPE, that is solid phase extraction technique. If you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates of my new uploads. Bonded phase is a porous solid on the surface of which analyte from the sample gets adsorbed in solid phase extraction. The bonded phase is used in solid phase extraction to attract and adsorb the analyte of choice, which results in accumulation of the analyte's concentration at the polar surface of the solid. The analyte may interact with the bonded phase due to mild intermolecular forces or electrostatic attraction or by chemical interaction. Now let us understand factors that affect the selection of bonded phase. There are four factors. First, analyte structure knowledge help in the selection for effective isolation. Second, sample miscibility with water or organic solvent. Third, polar or non-polar structure of analyte, and fourth, pH dependability of analyte, that is if it gets ionized with change in pH. Now let us understand the steps involved in SPE, that is solid phase extraction. There are four steps involved in solid phase extraction technique, namely first, conditioning, second, loading, third, washing, and fourth, elution step. Now let us understand each and every step in detail. First step, conditioning. Conditioning of the bonded phase is done to activate appropriate sites for adsorption. The solvent can be pulled through by positive pressure or by vacuum. Second step, loading. Appropriate sample volume is added to the column, allowing it to come down slowly along with the retention of the constituents. Third step, washing. The column is washed to remove all interferences and other matrix constituents. The washing solvent should not interact with the analyte. Fourth and the last step, elution. The last and the final step is elution. It is done with a solvent which has greater affinity for the analyte than the bonded phase. Elution is done slowly to ensure that all analyte molecules interact with the eluent. Thus, a concentrated form of the analyte is obtained, which can be used in any other analytical method as a pure sample. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest notification of my new uploads. Thank you.